MCN Motor Show 2023. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely. Probably you're gonna see all your dream bikes here, I would guess. The new 700, what a beauty. Probably every bike you can imagine is gonna be here. My dream bike, Africa Twin. Beautiful. Another Africa Twin. And another one. A beautiful 1290 from KTM. Yeah, let's go around, see what's going on. I don't know where to steer the camera so you can see. There's so many of them. Man, when I see these Africa Twins, I just love them so much. With the beautiful metallic box and everything. Another Africa Twin. Yeah, I think because I like Africa Twin so much, I see it everywhere. That's what's going on. Fully spec'd Africa, of course. Oh, the 650R. Amazing sound, beautiful bike, amazing value. Look at this baby here, amazing. Oh, the Tiger, I really love this bike. This is such a great bike, man. That's not even, I think, the brand new one. GSXR, of course. A beautiful Agusta MV. Probably they're gonna clip my microphone, these fellas, that's fine. So beautiful Agusta MV here. BMW classic motorcycle, everybody owns this. An old TDM, wow, I haven't seen one like this for many years. Obviously an absolutely sick bike. I don't need to tell you what it is, you can tell. It's a beautiful Agusta. Tracer 900, Oh, that caught my attention. That's the Rocket 3, isn't it? Crazy torque. Another Italian beauty here. Sorry, did I say Italian? Cancel it, guys. It's a Triumph. Sorry, I'm recording somewhere, but I look the other way because there's so many bikes. You can travel the whole world with this and you're gonna be fine. And its brother. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, that's supposed to be... This bike is very confusing. It's supposed to be street touring, sport touring. No one ever know. Beautiful Tracer 900s. Thousands of BMWs. I'm not gonna talk about all of them. It's the most popular bike, the best-selling bike, I think. Another shiny Tracer 900. That's a brand new Suzuki GSX-S GT, I think, or something like that. Great bike, amazing. With the suitcases, looks so good. Beautiful Tiger on the best color you can buy, probably that army green. Obviously, that's not the official title. Street Fighter, obviously. Nice and red, as it should be anyway. Thousands of BMWs again. Africa Twin. BMW, blah 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 blah. Africa Twin, Africa Twin. The 1290, man, this bike is so pretty. This is amazing. Just look at the headlight. It's absolutely sick. Oh damn. Okay, that's something different, isn't it? That's something really different. As I'm always saying, Africa Twin is my favorite bike. So if I was about to get a new bike, it would be this Africa Twin and only this color. White, blue and red. It wouldn't be anything else. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop here. There's so many bikes that there's no way naturally I have to stay here all day to show you everything. So I'm just gonna go inside and see what they have to offer. Let's go.
Lee Johnston on the RC45 suicide swing arm. Absolutely iconic bike. The RC45 in the hands of people like Colin Edwards, Aaron Slide, just making history in Castro holidays.
Absolutely, it's a beautiful bit of engineering. It's a dual bike.
Immaculately prepared machine.
That's absolutely stunning.
And let's see what this will go. This will be quick. John Evans is ready to go. He got that on the pipe quickly as well. John Hermanson.
The trouble with the two strokes as well is they were really coming into the power just to the point where they got to shut off. No, absolutely.
Well done, Tom. So, 4.5 seconds. Now, Paul Milburn still very anxious to claw back some of the deficit. His best time, 3.91 to date.
So the heart of this bike, it's an R1, but as you can see, it's had a few modifications.
But getting quicker, so we've got 2 more runs for each of these competitors today. 2 o'clock show and the 3:30 show.
That was a good clean run, and it's better than his first one this morning, so maybe we'll see the record drop in the last one of the night.
He's always scratching his head because he's beating himself up, I think. Just a little bit. Lee Bowers.
So if anyone's got a burger that they need cooking, should go do it on the next bike. It's more than taking flavor.
Paul Milburn brings the Pendines R1, Pendine Special back in.
Little shake of the head, looks definitely not happy there.
No, not happy. The Himalaya, Lee Bowers, professional stunt rider on board, complete with pyrotechnics and a customary wheelie off the line they suspect. Here we go. Whoa, what about that?
Oh, come on, give him a run.
That was cool though.
Didn't see anyone throw a bird at me.
We get all the way back. Here we go. Just draw it in from the back and put it down.
Absolutely hot water. It's bad enough that it's in the wheelie because they've got to press the button to get the flames, and he's doing a lot of work on board there.
He is doing a lot of work. That's Lee Bowers, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the Triumph Truckster RS with Gadgets Boy at the helm. The chrome, beautiful chrome tank on this.
So this is one of Triumph's whole range of chrome models for this year. So yeah, pretty much everything in their heritage range has got a chrome tank on, or the option of a chrome tank.
Nice and leisurely. might do it with their volley bike, you never know.
The little O'Reilly one is absolutely extraordinary. Peter Drake's is brilliant. It's coming out again in this one, so make sure you see that.
Fastest man around the Isle of Man, 135.452. Peter Hickman on the FHO Racing M1000RR.
He's only got himself to beat, so it's still talking about it.
It's going to be difficult. Right now, the drive on display is here. In strength on the movie. No time to die. There's been a BMW screaming down the back. Thank you very much. Yep. 4 members on the Tiger 900. This is deceptively quick.
Yeah, Paul's doing an incredible job on this bike, because obviously he's on nollies as well, so to get it off the line, he's not got as much contact back as some of the other bikes. That's really impressive. That's good work, that is. And the next one is, so those of you who've seen No Time to Die, you've got the big white scene at the beginning of the film, when you see David Craig doing a big jump. Well, this is the actual bike that did that. Very few changes to it as well.
1200 Scrambler coming up next. Well done, Paul. More fun games. Paul, 4 times the world enduro champion. And now Martin Craven on the 1200 Scrambler, the one, as Rich said, that looks very used and second-hand. That is because it is the actual bike with a soft... That's coming down, isn't it?
Oh yeah, he's really nailing that. That really is a pretty standard one.
The only thing that stops it going quicker is the limiter.
I was going to say, clearly the limiter still works. They didn't take that off.
Right then. Let's have as the F900 BMW comes to line, let's have a chat with Steve Plater, multiple TT winner. Tell us all about this series.
Yeah, brand new series supporting the British Superbike Championship and the period that the World Superbike meeting has gone into part this year. Obviously not so long until BSB starts the 8th and 9th of April at Silverstone. Dominic Herman's superbike bike today is competing the full series. He's looking forward to it, obviously not just that, but his TT duties. Fabulous series, one weight, everything's exactly the same suspension, K-Tech, exactly the same power ECUs. So it's all to play for really. Probably the cheapest budget-friendly championship BSB. Currently we've got almost 50 riders signed up in the series so far, but we've got room for 72, so it's going to be like a supercross setup really, with heats and finals.
How many rounds does it run at? Every BSB round, or is it an 8 or a 10 or something?
It's 9 events, 8 BSBs, 1 World Superbike, 2 races, minimum 2 races per round, so you'll get a heat and a big final.
A lot to go at, a lot, but it's going to be a real spectacle because with a naked bike you see much more anyway.
Yeah, obviously, you know, we've got some big names coming in, we'll have a few wild cards, a few people from the past, some ex-champions as well, so there'll be some great racing, a bit of plenty of elbow banging.
Well, I'll see you there. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for talking to us, Steve Plater. Dom Hermanson lining up there with the F900 BMW. Started life back in the day in 800, went on from there. We had wonderful stunt riders, the likes of Chris Pfeiffer. Really, here we go. one on board, MCN Tester, 600cc. This is deceptively quick.
Yeah, I mean, much lower on power, obviously that means it's easier to get off the line.
Another one creeping down.
That deserves a round of applause. He's got a lot less power to play with, and got every bit. Yeah, Bruce is one of our road testers and performance testers. That's a very long time. 252 switch as well.
Right now, let's see. Leon Jackson, BSB Kawasaki regular, race winner of BSB. On the edge, 2 on Kawasaki. This.
Former racer, of course, Lane Rose. Now very much a professional stunt rider in her own right. Well done. We'll take that. And this is Vanessa Rock, known to many obviously more as the girl on the bike. Very talented rider with road bikes and adventure bikes. On the Harley Excell 1200. And she has. Well done. 4.36 Vanessa. Well done. Yeah, nice clean up. Really launched that off the line well. And obviously decided to stay on the
this on the 5-lane super stock bike. This is the one he's had a really good time on. Lovely, lovely. 3.9. That's amazing.
So his fastest time on that bike, I think, was 3.79, so nearly there. And you'd have seen he just broke traction just as he hit the power, and that's what cost him the time there. But incredible run. And as he'll remind you, they're not retired on the H2R. That was impressive.
Right, now if I can find Dominic Herbertson, I'm going to have a chat with him. 6.8 by the Kawasaki H2R, which will not run again. So that time stays. Will it be beaten? We don't know, because Peter Hickman is nibbling away there, close behind on his FHO Racing M1000 RR BMW. Then we got John McGuinness, who did an absolutely staggering time. Green, and he's off. He's off again. It's up now, and it's flaming away down the alleyway. Good wheelie all the way down to the end, drops it down. Good bike control from Lee Bowers on that Himalaya.
He couldn't manage.
More of the same on the way back. He's got a full pyrotechnic set of equipment on that, but due to the confines of this hall, he's not allowed to have rockets shooting out of the front, as you might expect. That's for outdoor display only. Right, for the last time then, put your hands together for Lee Bowers and the Himalaya Pyro Bike. Well done, brilliant, fantastic job. Fastest man round the TT, can he go away from the London show? Fastest man on the super sprint. The lights go green and Hickey. 3.79, 3/100ths of a second slower than his personal best, but it's there or thereabouts. A brilliant, brilliant effort by Peter Hickman. Now, a lady waiting in the wings. Oh. A shake of the head. She'll be cross with herself for that. Good job we're not live, dear. Well, massive, massive motorcycle. She rides a Ninja, an H2. So she's a very competent motorcyclist, 10 years experience.
Really?
And has appeared in several TV shows, including Shed and Buried. And these electric bikes really, really accelerate. Bruce Dunn, Motorcycle News Tester, look how that thing flies up there. A 5.21, that's pretty good. Very, very low gear. Did you notice the big sprocket on the back? So that electric motor is absolutely flying around. And Bruce Dunn coming silently all the way down. And while it's quiet, I'm going to have a quick word with Dominic Herbertson. It goes well, this bike. Watch it fun. Wow, that's terrific. Terrific. Steve Plater, come over here quickly, Steve. That is amazing, you know, he's got the hang of that, doesn't it punch?
Yeah, I just hope we started out well when we get to
So do I. I'll be there joining you as well. Here he goes. I'm going to let the boys go. Have a quick word, if I may. Quick word with Paul Edmondson. Your final run, Paul, on the Tiger 900. And you get this thing off the line really, really quickly. For a big bike, it's fast.
Yeah, it is. It's been really interesting just to take it up and down the strip, obviously, but it's been getting off the line better than what I thought.
How much off-road stuff have you done on this?
A lot. Yeah, obviously we used it in the film in No Time to Die. We took it up to Scotland and did a lot of off-road riding. Took it a lot of places where I normally take my enduro bike, so that was interesting. But no, between myself and Martin, we had a great time with it.
Well, you've had a great time here as well. This is something completely different, isn't it?
So anyone
It is, yeah, it's been great, and as I said, just doing something different now and just enjoying myself, and I think that I've got a book for the adventure bike scene now.
Good for you. That's it. Paul Edmondson, 4 times world enduro champion, off to do his run,
What do you reckon?
and we'll watch him go.
He's the champion of his own thing.
Paul Eddie Edmondson. Here he goes then. Watch this thing fly. Tiger 900. 4.1. That is cracking.
This is not
What a cracking time that is for a big adventure bike. And while Paul comes back, I'll move over quickly to Martin Craven, who is on the 1200 tank. It's pretty second-hand. It's got a semi-flat tyre because he's let that tyre down a little bit to get the grip off the line. He goes up there on the rev limiter. You just listen to this. Good. So both these Triumph bikes have gone brilliantly. Now, Kevin Woods, RC213V for the final time. The MotoGP road bike.
He must do very well. This bike is amazing. He must go for something. Wow, listen to this.
Hugely expensive. That's just about what he did last time, but as Kevin points out, he doesn't want to hammer the clutch too much. A set of clutch plates for that bike, £2,000, just to refresh the clutch. So we understand why. Very exclusive. The RCV. John McGuinness for the last time on the Fireblade Superstock bike, and this is the one that he set a time of 3.79. Can he go inside his own personal best of 3.79? Launching it off the line, he's certainly flying off down there. Yes, he's gone under it, 3.71. Brilliant.
What was the record? 1.6?
3.71. That is fantastic. That moves John into second place. So he's moved ahead of Peter Hickman. 3.76 for Hickey. 3.71 for John McGuinness. Second only to the Kawasaki H2R. Second, well done. Good boy, to you. With its extended swinging arm. Gear change, 1, 2, 3, into third. 4.31. That's a personal best. Very good indeed. Everybody's going for it. People on the bike to turn around, but professional stunt rider handling it very well. Give a huge round of applause. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, Hannah. Brilliant. Good run. Now, Peter Hickman on the Ovale. The junior racer. Absolutely proper little race bike.
You don't like it?
This is a 190 GP. On a 190cc. How good is that? That's amazing.
Wow.
Big man, little bike. Oh, fantastic. Oh dear. Tom Kilby queuing up now on the Harley Davidson Road Glide ST117. This will punch up there. Stopped. That's a big piece of machinery to get stopped at the end. Another Harley coming up. This is the Excell 1200. It's a flat. George Sharma way up the strip, keeping it pinned all the end 4.26. Now he's got to get it pulled up. All safely done. Yep. I can hear two-stroke whizzing away in the background. It's Bristol lining up the 77 championship winning bike. 1977 World Championship. Barry Sheen on board. Bristol on board now. So here we go. There's the Doogie. The XR14 RG500 Square 4 500cc 2-stroke 4.73. That is good. Another iconic bike, a lovely, lovely piece of history. We've seen some great stuff today. We've seen good riders, we've seen interesting machinery. We've had 1 or 2 incidents, but we've had a flawless event run by Nora Motorsport. And my huge thanks go to the Nora. What can he do? He's away. That's pretty good. 5 seconds dead. That's not too shabby, is it? That's all right. Well, Peter, it's been a good show, hasn't it? Have you enjoyed it?
It's been a really good show, you know. It's even lots of people about, loads of fans. It's been great.
Yeah, we've enjoyed it. It's been good. Thank you.